Hello friends, welcome to another exciting tutorial. So in this class, I will be showing you how you can retouch your image from the beginning to the end in Capture One, and it's very simple. So this image you are looking on your screen, you're seeing on your screen, I've retouched it and I've taken it from what you're seeing to this. Okay, so look at the leaves, look at the skin tone. Okay, and so I'm going to quickly show you how you can do this in Capture One, and it's very simple. So let us reset this image back to the original form and let's start the tutorial. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to fix the exposure of the image. The highlight problem that this image is having at the moment is too bright, and then to fix that we're going to use the exposure setting and the high dynamic range tool to do that. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to bring down your white all the way down, and then you can leave the highlight as it is or bring it down just a little, but don't do it too much. Increase your shadow and then bring your black down, okay, but not all the way down. So, and then the next thing you want to do is to add DAs to this image to balance the whole image. Okay, so this is the before and this is the after. To an extent, we are able to fix the exposure problem that this image is having. Okay, now we are good to go. So after fixing this, the next thing we are going to touch is the white balance. Okay, by touching the white balance, we are going to add purple to our tint to bring out the skin tone a little bit. Okay, so this is the before and this is the after. You can see our skin tone is already popping out a little bit. Okay, see the difference. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is to work on the skin tone using the skin tone tool in Capture One, which is this tool I have right here. Okay, so I'm going to select the color picker. Okay, pick the skin, and then the hue of the skin, bring it all the way down. Okay, increase the saturation. Okay, and then not too much. So this is the before and this is where we are. Okay, now to complete this, the only thing I want to do next is to increase the shift the Kelvin toward yellow under white balance. Okay, this will further help the skin to come out properly. So this is the before and this is where we are at the moment. It's already looking good. So lastly, we are going to color grade the leaves to make the picture pop out of it. Okay, so to do that, we're going to use the advanced section under color editor in Capture One to fix that. Okay, so select the green of the leaves, select a part that is very green. So I'll prefer to select this part behind her. Okay, and having selected that, we are going to move the hue all the way down. Okay, as you can see, it has changed from this to this, so it's beginning to make sense. And then that is not the end. Select this new color now, this yellow, and then shift the hue all the way down. In doing this, we're already moving towards red, and then you can just increase the saturation and bring down the lightness. Okay, so now this is the before and this is the after. You can see how interesting this picture now looks. Okay, and then you can crop it to put more focus on the subject and not the leaves. Okay, so I think I would prefer to put the focus on her and not the leaves. Okay, and here our picture is ready, and so this is the before and this is the after. This is the before and this is the after. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for you to learn more and more and more from me. Thank you so much. See you in the next class.